Hello friends, welcome again to a new video. In today's video, we're going to tell you about a brand new AI tool that will make video creation very easy, allowing you to generate AI videos and AI images for 100% free. Its name is Wan 2.1. If you have heard about Wan 2.1 before, then you must also know that earlier, it could only be run after installing it on your computer. But now, its website version has also been launched, meaning there is no need to install Wan 2.1 on your computer anymore. You can use it online. In this video, we will give you complete information about Wan 2.1, including how you will get free credits daily and how you can generate AI videos without spending any money. So, watch the video till the end, quickly like the video, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notifications of all upcoming videos. Now, let's start the video. First of all, click on the link given in the description, which will bring you to this page. Then, click on the login button here. You will see two options, Google and GitHub. Choose any option to log in. I will log in using Google. When you create an account, you receive 50 free credits. To claim these credits, click here and then click on Check-in. This way, you will receive 50 credits. Similarly, you will earn daily credits. There are also other tasks available to earn more credits, which we will discuss later. Now, to create an AI video, click on AI video. Now, we get two options here. The first is text to video, and the second is image to video. First, we will use the text to video feature. From here, you can select the model to generate the video, but for good quality, keep Wan 2.1 Plus selected. Below in the promo section, we need to create a promo to generate our video. You can enhance your promo by clicking on Enhance Promo. If your promo meets the requirements, click Use It, and your enhanced promo will appear in the box. If you don't want to use the enhanced promo, you can create your own. After that, select the aspect ratio of your video. Next, there are two options. The first is Inspiration Mode. If you enable it, it will enhance your video quality, but the result may differ from your expectations. If you want your video to be generated exactly as expected, leave it disabled. The second option is Sound Effects. If you want to add sound effects or music to your video, enable this option. Otherwise, leave it disabled. Now, click on Generate to start generating your video. Here, the video generation has started. Once completed, let's play the video and check its quality. You can see how amazing it is. To download the video, simply click on Download. Now, let's use the image to video feature. For this, go back to AI videos and select Text to Video. Click on Upload and upload the image you want to use for your video. If you want to use a start frame and end frame, enable this option and upload your start and end frame images. If you don't want to use them, leave this option disabled. Now, enter the prompt to generate your video. This is optional. Once done, click on Generate again. The video generation has started. Let's wait a bit. Now, the video is ready. Check out the quality. You can see how impressive it is. To download it, click on Download. Now, let's generate an image from text. Click on AI Image and select the model, Wan 2.1 Plus. Enter your promo in the box. And select the appropriate style. You can enhance it and create style plates for your image. There are 4 styles available. Choose the one that fits your needs. Then, select the image ratio. To generate the image, click on Generate Image. Here is our generated image. Click Download to save it. Now let's talk about how to get more credits. The first method is daily check-ins, which give you 50 free credits. For more credits, go to your generated image or video and click on Details. Then, click on the 3 dots and select Publish. If your creation gets approved, you will receive 20 free credits. Additionally, you can earn credits by liking or disliking images or videos. For each like or dislike, you will receive 5 credits. You can do this on 2 images or videos per day. By completing these tasks, you can get free credits on Wan 2.1 and generate AI videos or images for free. Friends, we hope you found this tutorial helpful in generating free AI videos and images. If the video was useful, do like it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and press the bell icon for notifications of all upcoming videos. That's all for now. See you in the next video with a new tool and a new tutorial.